So during our salah, we can concentrate on the meaning of what we are reciting. And if we concentrate upon the meaning of what we are reciting, our mind, it will not wander. Many a times, our mind tends to wander in our salah. For example, if a student, he has appeared for an examination, and after he appears for this examination, he offers salah. He will start reviewing the examination paper in his salah. To question number 1, I should have chosen option B instead of option A. To question number 3, I should have written this answer instead of this answer. A person who's a businessman, if he's offering, for example, the Isha Salah, he will start analyzing how much profit he has made throughout the day and what loss he has incurred. So our mind does wander. So that's the reason we should concentrate upon the meaning of what we are reciting, and our mind, it will not wander. And if we concentrate upon the meaning of what we are reciting, inshallah, salah, it will prevent us from shameful and immoral deeds.